On the northern border lived an old man. One day his horse ran away into the land of the Hu people. His neighbor came to comfort him, saying, "What bad luck!" But the old man only replied, "Bad luck? Perhaps this will turn out to be a blessing." The neighbor shook his head and walked away, not understanding. Months passed. To everyone's surprise, the old man's horse came back, and brought with it a fine Hu horse. The neighbor rushed over, smiling. "What good fortune," he said. But the old man's son loved to ride the new horse. One day he fell and broke his leg. "How unfortunate!" cried the neighbor. The old man simply said, "Perhaps this is not misfortune, but a blessing in disguise." Then war came. All the strong young men were sent to battle, and most never returned. But because of his broken leg, the old man's son was spared. The neighbor finally understood. What seems like a loss may be a gain, and what seems like a gain may hide a loss.